Good afternoon, children. Now we will continue our next topic. This is the issues of equality in other democracies. Okay, so in this point, we will see that in many democratic countries around the world, the issue of equality continues to be the key issue around which communities struggle. For example, in the United States of America, the African Americans, whose ancestors were slaves who were brought over from Africa, continue to describe their lives today as largely unequal. Okay, so we'll see that the United States of America, many years back, the United States of America was ruled over by the British kings and queens. So the people had no say or role in the government. People had no say. There is no role in the government. So in the years 1783, with the conclusion of the American War of Independence. Okay, so in this thing you see that the United States of America was free from the rule of the British kings and queens. So the world's power, even written constitution was adopted by the USA. So it became a democratic country. So the African Americans who were brought as slaves from Africa before 1783 continued to be unequal, and this led to a movement for equality in 1950 as before this. So African Americans who were treated extremely unequally in the United States and denied equality through the law. So after that, the Civil Rights Acts of 1964, by this act prohibited discrimination. Okay, so what kind of discrimination were going on in America? So by this act, these type of discrimination were prohibited on the basis of race, religion, or national origin. Okay. So it also stated that all schools would be open to African American children and that they would no longer have to attend separate schools, right? So especially set up for them, it means African American children. Okay. So despite this, a majority of African Americans continued to be financially unequal in the country. Okay, so in this point we have discussed about the equality and inequality, right? So some kind of issues of equality in other democratic countries will also happen. Okay, so thank you, children.